Yo, welcome back, YouTube. This is Profit Progress coming at you with another dope video. We got a bunch of cool stuff today and a bunch of info for the pop-up shop coming up in October 18th, 19th, and 20th on the weekend. If you want that info, just skip to the end of the video and you'll find that. Let's get right on to this dope vintage Nike haul and a little bit of ACG as well as some other stuff that I did find on the interwebs. Let's go. Alright, starting first off, coming in from Vincent. I believe this is off of Depop. We got a vintage Nike 90s gray tag from the early 90s. White Syracuse with the orange Beavertown logo, but it's a little like replay on it with the orange men. The Syracuse Orange Men has a nice little print here also. Still great condition. That is amazing. Thank you very much. Is a size XL. Does fit like a large. Coming up next, a fire piece coming in from Brianna Wish. Huge thanks to her. Found this on Depop. It is a vintage Nike windbreaker. It is the Senmo, that is the Southeast Missouri state. And this is a vintage 70s/80s with the pinwheel, full logo on the back, great condition, no cracking. Let me show you this tag though. This is an early 90s, late 70s Nike tag with the Made in USA. Thank you so much for this. Okay, and coming up next, we got coming in from my boy at Lost and Found on Instagram, coming from Winnipeg. Got this dope Nike ACG hat. There it is. It is a fleece hat. That is so sick. Does have the check on the front. Has the old Nike ACG dog fleece type thing. It is one size fits all. Amazing condition. Thank you very much for that. Up next, we got a couple dope jerseys, baseball jerseys. I already have one that I got from my buddy Will T. Shout out to you, Will T. Vintage 90s starter paisley. It has that little paisley on the back. Apparently that makes it super rare. Not super rare, but a lot more collectible. So I have one large Blue Jays one in the collection. And now we're adding another. This is off Depop. Saw this. It was posted a while ago. Nobody scooped it. So I came in and got it. It is a vintage size medium Colorado Rockies paisley jersey. Is in decent condition, a little bit of wear here and there, but overall that is amazing. Thank you very much. And then I got two, but what if your boy got three? What? Oh my god, wow, he got three. Unbelievable. Yeah, okay, so we got three. Here's another one, size XL, so medium, large, and XL. This is the White Sox. Find this also on Depop. Both were there for a long time. I don't know why nobody scooped them. They were for a good deal or price as well. Had to scoop them. And two more packages left. Got this off of Kijiji. A nice man. He posted it. Saw it. Had to get it. Never see these anywhere. And it is a Toronto Raptors. You see it? Boom. It's a real T-Rex or a real Raptor print logo. New with tags. Who is this printed by? It's on a Ravens Athletic. That is so nice. So clean. Made in Canada. Thank you very much for that. Probably going to keep that on the personal for a while, but we'll see. And last but not least, Got a big package coming in all the way from Ukraine. And got this one off of Grail. Dude posted. I'm always looking for these fleece Nike ACGs. They're hard to come by. Finally got one for a reasonable price. And then he had another thing posted on his account that I bought. We'll get into that after. But first off, we got this dope Nike ACG fleece Sherpa pullover anorak jacket style with the cover mask type hood. This is amazing. Does have hairs all over it. It is a size large, fits a little oversized, but that is still so sick. Says all conditions on the back. Thank you very much for that. Great quality. Can't wait to try it out. And last but not least, said that twice, but that's okay. We got this dope Burberry vintage spell out down the sleeves, on both sleeves. Spell out like that down both sleeves. Amazing, good condition. Only had a little hole in the back that was fixed up, I believe. Right there, yep. That's okay. Thank you very much for this. Alright, thank you everybody for joining me for this video. I know it was probably not the best description on any item at all. But anyway, for the pop-up shop, coming in on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of October, and then again on December. But that will be for later. But admission will be $2. We'll have all the times and everything posted up right here. It is around 11 to 5, Saturday, Sunday, and then I believe on Friday night is the VIP night. You come in and get to check out everything early. It is super sick, super hype. Definitely come check it out. There's going to be a bunch of vendors, like 30 of us or so, all bringing a bunch of cool stuff from every single range. Bring your mom, bring your dad. We got everything from pots all the way to furniture, to DVDs, to CVDs, to LEDs, to vintage clothing for girls and guys. We got all of it. And yeah, it's going to be super dope. Hope to see all you guys there. No needs to show up though, like no pressure or anything, you know, it's like, it's all chill. I'm gonna have a bunch of dope stuff that's limited, and as well, I did get invited to a little global news fashion show. Not too sure much about it, but gonna keep that on the low. Thanks again everybody for watching. Hope to see you guys at the pop-up shop. Peace out. Bye.